Okay, y'all. Now we're going to make some strawberry lemonade. I'm going to show you a way to make a small batch of the best strawberry lemonade you ever tried. We're going to cut that bad spot off of that one. Throw these out. Clean up my mess. Alright, so now we're going to take our strawberries over here. And y'all see that little baby iron skillet I got going? We're going to add our strawberries to this little skillet. And now, you can add any sugar of your choice. Whatever you like to sweeten stuff with. I'm going to be using this sugar that we got. It's a little bit better for you. We're putting 1/4 cup in there. Now that right there is going to start drawing your juice out of your strawberries. And we're going to add about 1/4 cup of water to that. And let that start cooking down. Now we're using this size pitcher. It's not a big batch, but I'm going to go ahead and fill this to like halfway full of water with my filter water. Okay, we got our water right there. Our strawberries are going. I'm going to go ahead and cut up a lemon that I've already washed. It's a pretty lemon too. Found it at Walmart. I bought some the other day and they wasn't near this pretty. But this one's a pretty one. Okay, we're going to go ahead and slice our lemon. Depending on how sweet you want your strawberry lemonade, we put 1/4 cup. If you want to add more, you go ahead and put it in your strawberries while that water is boiling. Because if you put it in there, your sugar will not dissolve in that water because it's just room temperature. So put your sugar in your mix while it's going. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few of these and we're going to squeeze it, the lemon juice, into our water. And then we're going to go ahead and just put our lemon right down in there. Okay, these little ones I'm just going to put down in there. We're going to clean up our mess. Set that there. Now that lemon didn't have a lot of juice in it, so I'm going to add a little lemon juice to mine. Now we get this brand at Costco. It's a great price up there, and it's real good lemon juice if you hadn't got it there before. We're going to add about a good big tablespoon in there. And I'm going to add just a dash of salt. Probably 1/8 of a teaspoon. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to strain this. Now, you can do it both ways. I have put it in there where I just put the strawberries in with it. But I'll show you how to strain your mixture once your strawberries put off a lot of juice and their flavor. We're going to add it in here. Now it's just depending if you want to add the strawberries or not. I'm going to let that sit there a minute and drain. Okay, we're going to move that to the side. Now we're going to give it a mix. Now if you love strawberry lemonade, you need to try your strawberries like this. We're going to pour us a glass. Let's put put this on there so it don't, no seeds come out. And there you go. That's the easy way to make fresh strawberry lemonade. Ooh, that's good for this hot day in the summer. Well, y'all, this ain't gonna last long. Well, y'all, that's just one way you can make Southern style strawberry lemonade. If you'd like to see a sweet tea recipe, y'all comment down below. I thought about doing a video on sweet tea because down here in the South, that's what we drink, is sweet tea. It's one of the main things. It's always on every menu when you go out to eat and in every Southern kitchen. Okay, y'all, I was trying to make it pretty, but you know what? I can't let these strawberries go to waste. They going in there too. If you like strawberry lemonade, you need to watch this recipe. It's easy and simple.